I'm super hyped for both the body kits, both wide body kits that are coming to the channel, guys. Yo, I just spilled coffee in my cup holder. It filled up the whole cup holder, and I just slurped it out with a straw because I had nothing else to do. No way, bro.
580 bucks, just right here.
Big thanks to everyone that has copped the merch, guys. It has been live for about 4 days now, and we are almost sold out. It's kind of crazy. I'm gonna go ship out more merch right now. I'm on my way to link up with Cordell. We got a bunch of stuff to do, so kind of a crazy wild vlog today. The last couple days have been super chaotic, and I just figured I'd just bring you guys with me just to kind of, you know, make another vid. So, yes, sir. Yo, it is almost. What just happened? What just happened? Oh boy, here we go. Guys, you modify your car, crazy stuff happens, and my mud flap is actually jammed on my tire. Let me just show you. What the freak? Okay, this is not chill. Oh my gosh. What in the hell? So here we go. Yo, Lil Uzi Vert dropped a new track. Oh my god, we need to play it right now. Been listening to it on and 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 on. Uzi's the GOAT. We are pulling up right now. Let's say what's good to Cordell and his wide wheels. Hey, just so you know, we're here, bro. What's up, bro? You know, we just filming and stuff and making vlogs, bro, because I figure why not make one today. Oh, about the mud flap? Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, they saw all about the mud flap. Yep, bro, they seen it. It was kind of embarrassing, but I just showed it because, you know, why filter? Full send. Take a hold of this, dude, because, woo, bro, those are fresh.
I've had these for over a year.
Really?
Fact.
Dude, those are some freshies, dude.
Bro.
So sick.
They already they just like discolored, you feel?
Nah, dude, that's because, you know, honestly, I get new shoes and I hate them because, dude, they're so white or so mint. You gotta dirty them up a little bit, you feel? Yes, but hey, now you got something to show. I got something to show. I got these pants, dude, and I freaking love them, bro. It's like some red cargo. I don't even know why, but I feel like they fresh, and I just want to, you know, do some dope edits in them. Let's hit an edit. Let's hit an edit with the suit.
How these niggas rapping on me? They don't know what happened to me.
What's the move? Tell me what's the move? I've been chillin' in the view, tryna push up to the moon. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? I've been chillin' in the view, I be cooking in the stew.
Hold up. The shirt was wrinkled.
Tryna push up to the moon. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? I've been chillin' in the view, I be cooking in the.
Oh shit! Bro, you scared me, dude. I come out looking, dang, that car looked fresh. And then you turn the corner, you scared me, bro. I about dropped the bait fit. I always feel like when I bring these, there's gonna be like someone in here grabbing. Oh shit! I'm just kidding. Alright, we're done here. What are we doing? Bro, our boy's getting the care package, dude. I don't want to rip it either. Chill! Dude, that's so hype, I can't, bro. Ooh, that was a good pull, Let's see. We hitting the 18.39 pounds of boost. That's pretty good for this turbo, pretty good for this car. 18 pounds, I mean, I'm tuned on a 16, 17 PSI, so I don't know. I don't know if that's boost creep or why it would go a little bit higher, but my car could just be fast. No, it's not fast, but we're gonna make it fast.
Roast your laptop.
Oh, yo. Oh, bro. Yo, and I just launched it into the back of my seat.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's all right.
That's why we use seat belts.
That's why we use seat belts. You know, that laptop's going through a lot, but same with my camera, you know. they've been through a lot. I'm surprised they're still going, so shout out to Apple and Canon.
Damn.
Dude, that is literally the car I was going to get before the first WRX, except for it was all white, and I love that car because of the headlights are not the pop-up. They changed to the, I don't want to start saying wrong terms or I'm gonna get roasted in the comments, but they changed more to like a flat look, to just not pop-ups, and I believe it's a newer year, but that thing is freaking clean, bro. Yo. It's got some dope wheels. And then we got a Beamer over here. Little duckbill beam. You should pull up next to him. Dude, my mom used to have one of those too. And I drove it and it was sick. I still love the Beamers.
So why'd you buy a Subi?
Because I drove one, honestly. The reason I bought a Subi is because my homie bought one and he let me drive it, and I was like, all right, game over. All-wheel drive turbo is the move. Affordable all-wheel drive turbo. Lock the doors, bro. I try to get some cinematic shots and I lock the doors. All right.
Oh, that reminds me.
What?
When I work nights, I'm gonna get you some better dank.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Why? What do you mean? You found something?
Oh, bro, I created something new. Bro, it's been my thing past like 4 days.
Really?
Oh yeah,
Dude,
like
Jace put coconut milk in this.
yeah, you wanna know why? Cause he be copying my shit lately. Yeah.
Is that what you were gonna give me?
Yes, sir.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, sir. White mocha with coconut.
Dude, white mocha with coconut.
Pretty dank, huh?
Cordell, you're just a master barista, bro.
Bro, facts.
I personally am a retired barista. I used to make coffee, but, you know, after a while, you lose the skill, so.
Yeah, Riff couldn't hang with me. He bailed.
I'll make some shirts. For the out-of-state people that don't know, this is the best burger joint in Utah, I swear. And this is the only one. They used to have one over there, but it's gone now. Anyways, I got a bison burger. Number 21 waiting on my dinner. Why'd I say it like that, bro? Waiting on my dinner. Big news for today's video. So our boy Tristan, Red 350Z, Cordell's brother, he just got his Rocket Bunny kit in. So the Rocket Bunny is here for the 350Z, guys. We're gonna go unbox it, kind of get a good look at it. It got shipped in on a semi on a pallet. It's so freaking dope. So I can't wait to show you guys that. After we eat, we're gonna head over there, guys. Start unboxing the wide body kit, Rocket Bunny. Let's go. Let's get the Z on the channel, start making some content for it, guys. We got 2 wide body cars as of right now in the works. So endless content, boys. 2020 season 1, let's go. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, bro. Dude, I did not just do that, bro. What do I do? Dude, I just filled my cup holder with coffee. Dude, oh fuck. Bro. Bro, what do I do? What do I do? Do I need to drink it? Do I need to drink it? Bro, it's half full, bro. Yo, Sophie's gotta clean my car tomorrow. She's cleaning my car tomorrow, bro.
You only filled up the one hole though.
I have to do it. If anyone sees this, I swear to God, if I get the coronavirus from this, dude.
No problem. Don't worry, you'll be okay. How you feeling?
I'm just transferring it.
Oh, bro.
Oh, bro.
I want to puke now.
Y'all better subscribe. I don't ever ask people to subscribe, dude, and I just asked them to subscribe, so that's how you know I just did something not lit. That was not lit. That was not cool. Tastes like some mocha ice cream.
That was lit.
Thanks, dude. Well, Cordell's gonna drive the car because I gotta eat my ice cream, so let's head out. Yo, we got some clout goggles up in here. Our boy Cordell's driving the Subi, and you know, most people are a little, what's the word? Strict. They're a little strict on letting people drive their cars. Okay, so hold up, listen. I feel like, why wouldn't you share the experience, especially with your homies, bro? Like, if your homies want to drive your car, you should be like, bro, of course I trust you to drive my car. If anyone asks to drive your car, more than likely they're going to be respectful for it, and like, I don't know, you know what I mean? So like, you just let people drive your car, you shouldn't be tripping. If I had a Lamborghini, I'd let all my sisters drive it. I only got one sister, bro. Oh wait, I got 2. Dude, honestly, these goggles kind of going hard though. Like, 18 shots of caffeine to the dome, just barely. Like, why the fuck you think I'm so hyped right now, dude? Like, I just want to see a Rocket Bunny kit, dude. Like, in real life. Bro, that just hit me, dude. We about to go see a Rocket Bunny. Oh my gosh. Yo, he got this shipped from Pandem. Pandem sent it, guys, straight from Japan. Boys, the Rocket Bunny is authentic and it's about to go on a Z. Not only the best burger joint, but they got the bomb ice cream. If it doesn't come out, oh!
No, dude, keep that. Go on, Lola.
When you getting one, River?
Oh, so front bumper, rear bumper.
It didn't come up the rear bumper, just the front.
Is there different kits?
No.
Or is that just how the Rocket Bunny is?
I guess that's just how it is. Oh, and? Got me a jet tag.
Yo, dude, that's sick.
That means,
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, this thing's insane, bro. Is that the duckbill? No way, bro.
580 bucks, just right here.
Oh my gosh.
Where the lights go? I think the lights go in here.
Yeah.
I think you have to drill them out and then they go right here.
this is gonna be so sketchy to run.
Why?
That shit will crack. You hit something wrong, you hit a rock driving down the fucking road, and if there's enough force, shattered. $900. Or no wait, your front bumper's $785 to replace.
It's alright, it's under warranty.
He rubs it. Well, maybe under warranty.
It's under warranty.
Dude, look at. I think that kind of lines up with the design of the fender.
Yes, that's gonna put it right in for the second piece.
Bro, look at this duckbill. The duckbill's fresh. Bro.
Come on. Ooh.
Yo.
That's all you gotta run. You don't need a chassis mount.
No.
I would not do a chassis
dude.
mount.
That duckbill's fresh, dude.
Like, just look at the curvature.
Yo.
It's like,
Look at dude, the custom fab right there a little bit.
This came with my light kit that
Yeah.
they gave me. All Japanese, bro.
Let's see this, bro. Oh.
All Japanese.
Dude, look, it shows your little exhaust tips. Dude, that is insane. How to install neck breaker.
Get the splitter.
The fender, though. Look at the vents.
oh,
This was a bad idea.
I'm not sure what this is. Dude. Oh my gosh.
Fat.
That's lit. That's fat, bro. Where's your bumper? This goes underneath it, dude.
Oh, that's more heavy than I thought.
Yeah, I
Don't drop it.
Dude, dude, look at this fender vent, bro. Look at this.
it's gonna be so lit.
We're just building a car right now.
We're just building a car right now. Dude, I can't wait. Mine's not gonna be as exciting as yours though, dude. You got pretty much
that?
you got a brand new car, bro. I think mine's oh no, dude, mine's got 8 pieces. And I think I get these little things, funky things too. Little vents.
Dude, that's like my favorite part.
Yo.
That and the front bumper.
Dude, that just shows how wide you already are because your fenders are like that.
So we're gonna have to put those on.
Yeah?
We're gonna have to install it, and then we're gonna have to
Take it
measure.
Oh.
We're gonna have to measure because nobody has my fitment.
Dude.
I can't find it anywhere, so we're gonna have to put those on,
Okay.
measure it out, and then go from there. And then I can order my wheels.
Deal.
Deal.
Let's do it. Yo. Okay, so what? Yep, you are gonna have to do the badge. We're the badge and the Z in the process, bro. Let's peek this fender. This is the front.
Driver's side.
Oh, bro.
It's not like molded to my car,
Mhm.
so that's where the custom fab comes to.
Dude, we gotta at least have the Subaru done by ISS. That's 3 months, bro. You think we're gonna have this done by ISS?
100%.
Oh, calling shots. Let's go. Either way, we're going wide body for the boys. Dude, well, as soon as it starts warming up, like, it's super cold right now, but as soon as it starts warming up, we're gonna be able to just do a lot more. Dude, but when it's cold, oh, this is terrible, bro. This is terrible.
Remember when we were doing my exhaust?
Yeah.
Shit.
That was shit. That was straight terrible. That was terrible, bro. But we did it.
Yeah, we did.
We installed the NVIDIA.
We had to clamp my exhaust together and drive it over to my house, but we did it.
Oh yeah, my dad's like, yo, where'd my tools go? I'm like, borrow them for a minute. His exhaust is clamped together with, what are you, vice grips, bro?
Yeah, my
Something, dude. This is sick. What you think, Cordell? What you think about this?
Bro, it's gonna be lit. We got a lot of work.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the video. Today we're rocket bunnying a freaking 2016 Super WRX. I'm just kidding. Ooh! Let's throw a duck bill on the Subi. Oh, Fitman, bro.
Ooh.
Fitman.
She be bad?
Yo, just the, hey, what millimeter is this?
that one's 40.
This is a 40 millimeter body kit. Most of the Subarus are 50, so this is gonna be a good resemblance of how wide we going for the Subi. Look at that. Imagine if my Subi was that wide. Dude, it's gonna be that wide. Look at that, bro. Is that a move or what?
Dude, this just sells me.
Dude,
That makes
That
5
is-
grand.
that
That's
is-
5 grand right there. Nah,
This whole fender?
this is 5 grand.
The jet tag, we lit. All right, well, anyways, I'm super hyped for both the body kits, both wide body kits that are coming to the channel, guys. We got some moves with the wheels I'm gonna be copping, so we're gonna get to that here soon. I should be receiving them here soon. I know you guys have been waiting for that, but I think I decided to go with a certain set, and I'm excited to present that to you guys. But next video, hopefully that will be. If not, we'll push it out a little farther, just depending on when they get here. But other than that, boys, peace out.